So how to use Vivid in iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max? I'm using iPhone 16 Pro. So let's check. Go back. So now let's take a photo. Now go your photo. If you go this icon, then you can see no option available for Vivid. To enable Vivid, first of all, you need to go your setting and go to your camera and go to format. Then you can see top right corner camera capture. So you have to choose most compatible. Now let's go back to my camera again. Now take a photo. If you go to this photo again, now you're able to access your vivid area. So this is the tricks. You just need to select camera capture as most competitive to access your vivid on your phone. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.